through the engine bay here. Looks really good. All right, we're gonna go on a quick test drive here. Now the flickering that you see here, that is in camera only. That is not in person. The car has 23,561 miles on it. It is a power convertible top, so you just push the button over here and it will all fold up nice and clean. Absolutely gorgeous car. I like how the dash is not leather, so it won't have the separation issues. Has that nice matte finish to it. Car shifts nice and smooth. I'm gonna hit the brakes kind of hard here. Brakes feel good. Got the heads-up display. Shifts nice and smooth. Of course, with a convertible top, you're gonna hear the little rattles and creaks, which is all very common. I would say this is very subtle though. It's not excessive by any means. We're on a very, very bumpy road. Steering wheel looks nice and straight, doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. Suspension feels good. These seats are very, very comfy. Really no complaints. Drives absolutely perfect. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. We're gonna look at the wheel here. Now when you get close, you're gonna see the spots on there kind of throughout. Not seeing any curb rash though. Here on the fender, a couple rock impacts. You're gonna have some little surface scuffs every once in a while. A couple spots there. That lower section looks good. Graphics are nice and clean. We do have some chips down here. Overall, that looks good. That's clean. That door looks nice. Super common here, but you're gonna have little rock impacts and chips. It's pretty minimal though. A couple little surface scuffs here on this wheel. I don't see the spots like I did on the front. I don't see any curb rash. Now the barrels, you're gonna have all of that in there. Here on that front splitter, it is chewed up pretty good. You're gonna have the rash, you're gonna have some broken pieces on it, like this right here. So that does need to be replaced at some point. On the headlights, you're gonna see some clarity issues. From here it looks really good though. I do see a graze right there. Little scuffs. You're gonna see a couple little scuffs here and there. Little chips. A couple more chips. Very subtle though. Here on that lens, you're gonna see the same little flaws. Got a chip there. Overall, that hood looks really nice. This lens, you can see a little cracking. This one looks a lot better. Little spot there. Here on this wheel, I don't see the spots like I saw on that front right wheel. So overall looks good. Got a chip right here. And it's probably hard to tell, but this area is faded and you can feel the texture. It's not as smooth like here. See the clarity difference? That pillar looks nice. When we get close right here, you're gonna see the gash there, a couple chips. Of course you have some in this area, but overall looks really good. The rest of that door looks nice. Quarter panel looks good. I don't see any rash on that wheel. Couple little surface scuffs. It's kind of faint, but there's a little scratch there. Those taillights look good. That looks really nice. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. That upper panel looks good. A couple little scuffs on that handle. The lower section looks nice. It's very clean. Door jambs look nice. Typical wear on that bolster with the little wrinkles, but otherwise in great condition. A couple small scuffs here and there. Got the Alcantara inserts. That looks really nice. Steering wheel overall really clean. Couple tiny scuffs. Like I said, overall very nice. The gauges look good. All of that's clean. This works perfect. I know these are really common to break, and that one is not broken. That shifter has a really nice matte finish to it still. Do see a little imperfection there, a little circle. Otherwise, absolutely gorgeous in here. That door panel is in great condition, as well as the kick plate area. You got the Alcantara inserts. That bolster looks nice. This one's clean. A couple little surface scuffs on that Alcantara and a couple small stains. Otherwise in great condition. Looks good. Dash is nice. Visors look good. This side is really clean.